This Russian soldier is surrendering to Ukrainian forces. Remarkable footage shows how a Russian soldier crawled through hell to surrender to Ukraine by communicating with a drone to follow it out of no man's land, while missiles launched by his former comrades rained down on him. The troop does not want to fight, so tries to communicate with a Ukrainian drone, which had been dropping explosives on the battlefield in Bakhmut, that he wants to surrender. The soldier, fed up of fighting Vladimir Putin's bloody war, makes a series of gestures, including putting his arms in an X across his chest to indicate no to the drone's camera. The battered Russian soldier then reaches for a white piece of fabric, which he shows to the drone to indicate his surrender. It comes as reports continue to surface over Russians ceding hard-won ground and fleeing their positions in the fiercely contested bloody battleground of Bakhmut. The soldier was given the opportunity to surrender under the Ukrainian government's I Want to Live project, which began last September, and gives Russian troops a way out if they have been forced to the front lines by the Kremlin. The drone then proceeds to guide the soldier through the trenches in Bakhmut, as he is shot at by former colleagues in the Russian army and set upon by explosives. As the soldier runs across the battlefield to seek cover behind a wrecked vehicle, an explosion narrowly misses him. We hope that the terrible conflict can come to an end soon.